Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're in Cherwell version 8. However, this relates to just about any version of Cherwell. I'm going to look at how we can dive into the Cherwell calendar and actually include a new button in the right-click context menu. So let's go ahead and open up the default IT calendar here under the Tools, Calendars, go to the Calendar Manager, and bring that right up here, IT Calendar. So this calendar by default is going to show all currently open change requests based off the start and end date. Now if I right click, you'll notice I have a few different options, but I don't have the ability to create a new change. So if I go ahead and edit this calendar here, pull up the calendar manager and then right click and edit. Under the calendar item list, I can go ahead and edit the open change requests. And then here on the bottom left, all I need to do is check the Allow New button under Options. What this is going to do is show the new button when I right click on the calendar. And here I have New Change Request. So this is especially useful if you just want to create quick changes on the fly while you're looking at the change calendar. However, let's say for some reason you had a use case where you wanted to actually include another object on there, but you don't want to display the object's info in the calendar. You just want to be able to have that in the new button menu option. You go ahead and do that by creating a new empty search. So if we go back to the calendar and we'll create a new item, and let's say for incident, we want to create a query that doesn't actually bring back any results. So we can do that just by selecting, we'll just say call source equals some random value that you know will never return back true. So we should never receive any tickets. We'll just have the start date be the created date and end date, let's just pick the close date. You know, this really doesn't make much of a difference here because we're not actually displaying anything in the search result list. And I'm going to decheck all these boxes, including items shown by default. So the legend is going to show the incident box not checked by default. And then we want to also check the Allow New. This is going to make sure that shows up under the context menu. Let's go ahead and save our changes and then go back and open up the calendar. So now I can right click in anywhere on the days of the change calendar that I'm on, and I can see the option to not just create the new change request since we enabled that earlier, but I also have the new incident. So you can basically add any object in here that you want to that might be relevant to add while you're viewing the IT change calendar. Thanks for watching. This was Robert with Beyond 20.